Hi, boys and girls. It is math time, and in your packets for today, you will have seen you should have a baggie of marshmallows with toothpicks in there. I hope you haven't eaten them already. But hang on to when you get all done today. If you really want to, you can eat them. If your parents say it's okay. But your marshmallows are for today, and you have one paper in your packet, and it gives directions on what we're doing. We are building shapes with our toothpicks and marshmallows, so it's going to be super fun. But first we're going to talk a little bit about, remember how we learned about 2D shapes, flat shapes, and 3D shapes, solid shapes. Yep. So let's look at some of our flat shapes, because remember they're flat, they don't have big sides like a 3D shape. So here's a flat shape, so it's a, what is in this bearing?
It's a square.
A square.
And a cube.
So your flat shape and your 3D shape. A square and a cube. What about?
It's a cone.
A cone.
Or a, find it there?
Yeah, I don't need to hold them all at once, do I?
Right? Triangle.
A triangle. A triangle. This would be your flat shape. Your 2D. This would be your 3D solid shape. And how about a rectangle? Flat shape.
It's also called, well, 3D, it's a rectangular prism.
Rectangular prism.
It's a huge word.
It is, but you can do it. Yep. Rectangular prism.
Yep.
Or, so 3D, 2D, flat shape, solid shape. So we're going to take some of these shapes that we've learned, and we're going to put them into to building with marshmallows and toothpicks. Now, we've built a lot of shapes here, just to show you. If you don't have enough toothpicks in your baggie to build as much as we've built. So if you have more building supplies at home, and it's okay with your parents, you can definitely make more shapes. But let's look at some of the shapes that we've made. All right. We've made a rectangle. Because the sides are longer, so there's 2 toothpicks and 1 toothpick on the end. And this is a flat shape rectangle that we've built. What do you have there, Miss Barrett?
This is the rectangular prism. You can see
it's long on on the sides,
short on the other sides.
But you can see all the sides of the rectangular prism.
But don't drop it.
Nice. Okay, let's do. We have
Sure.
We have a cone or a pyramid in 3D, and in a flat shape, it's a triangle. So this is what they look like, how they're different. Can you see how they're different? So if you would like to build triangles, pyramids, or cones, you can build that. And then another one that we built here's our square. Let's see, we're going to make it more square. 4 sides, they're all the same. So there's our flat shape of a square.
Here's the 3D, it's a cube. You can tell that they're exactly the same. No matter which way you turn the cube, it's all the same size, all the same length, sides.
Very good. And then we have a couple that we just made just for fun.
That's a polygon.
A polygon.
And what would you call this?
A tent.
A tent.
It looks like, or you could even do something fun. You want to set it on top.
Oh my goodness, here we go.
It looks like the roof
of
a house. Let me move my hand so you can see. It looks like the roof of a house. It looks like we built a house. So you could do lots of fun things. Miss Barrett, would you like to build us a shape so we could talk about how because you see how we use our marshmallows in the corners, and you can stick more than 1 toothpick into the marshmallow, so it holds your corners together. And when you need to put, like the rectangle, when you need to put 2 toothpicks together, you use a marshmallow to join them together. We'll see what Miss Barrett is building.
This will be an easy shape. You guys will catch on what it is.
But you can make any shapes that you would like to make. You can make 3D shapes. You can make flat shapes. You can make creative shapes. You can do anything that you want with these. Ooh. Oh, I think I know what she's making.
Yeah.
Are you making a diamond?
I am. Some say that diamonds are a girl's best friend, but I'm not so sure about that. Okay, here we go.
And there's a diamond.
There's a diamond.
So boys and girls, you can build. See, and see how fast it is? So you can build anything that you would like to build. Take your time. Try a couple different things. And since we can't bring these back to class, please take a picture.
That would be great.
Take a picture of everything that you built, and I would love to see what you've built with your marshmallows and toothpicks. Have lots of fun.